And welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So, let's see, guys, today on the news. It's a bit quiet today, but it's exciting times. Cryptocurrency mining operator Core Scientific said on Wednesday it is listing on the Nasdaq through a merger with Power and Digital Infrastructure Acquisition Corp. Now, the deal with a special purpose acquisition company values Core Scientific roughly about $4.3 billion. It is not clear when trading will begin. The ticker name was not even announced. Now, in core, which of the operations in the North Dakota, North Carolina, Georgia, and Kentucky is one of the largest providers of blockchain infrastructure and hosting, as well as the largest digital asset miners in North America. Rival Bitcoin miners Riot, Blockchain, and Marathon Digital have market capitalization of 2.18 billion and 2.25 billion respectively. Core blockchain infrastructure business is backed by 70 blockchain and infrastructure related patents and application. Bitcoin had a wild year, peaking more than $63,000 before crashing to its current value of around 31,000. But it's still up more than 230% from a year ago as of Tuesday. The SPAC of Bitcoin mining companies are another way to bet on crypto craze, while slightly longer term horizon than speculating on currencies themselves. Primarily mint bitcoins that more than 3,000 bitcoin, including 1,683 for its own accounts. The chairman and CEO Mike Levitt said in an interview during the same time period, Marathon mining fleet produced approximately 846 Bitcoin and Riot produced a total of 1,167. Core is added capacity at the existing sites and looking to build more facilities, potentially one or two more sites in two different states. It operated about 80,000 rigs by the end of 2022 and will be operating well in excess of 300,000 miners, according to Levitt. We are all sold out. Every bit of infrastructure we can build, and we are the biggest, and we have the demand for, Levitt said. We are basically sold out for capacity through 2022, and we are building more. Wow. Good.
Wow.
Good job, North America. So I think the North Americans are actually stepping up and
Yeah, though they are not going to get a cheap infrastructure for a mining, but it's a good step. I would say that it's a good step because looking at the Bitcoin growth and adoptions,
mm,
definitely, though their infrastructure is not so cheap, but the Bitcoin price is going to be up. So
yes.
there they will definitely will have a margin.
Yeah, I totally
So
agree. I think you are right because we have people who actually been in this industry. They have shared with us on the cost of actually running a rigs, and I'm shocked they are actually doing 80,000 over rigs. I mean, we have a PC here that is mining VET for us, but 80,000 rigs. Wow, really expensive stuff, and also the cost of power. I'm not too sure what kind of technology they are using to generate power. And of course, these places in the North America are cold during winter time. So,
yeah, they are going to pressurize the pond, the
ah,
place where
yeah. So
more
yeah, I
heat.
mean today is quiet. I didn't find anything pressing or certain things I want to bring up. But that's all I have, Manish. Maybe back over to you.
All right. Okay. Sure.
So while Manish sets up the next segment, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Manish, back to you.
All right. So I'm going to talk about Cardano today. It's one of our favorite coin.
Yeah, I love it.
We see lot of potential in this crypto, in this coin. So Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain project that has yet to reach its full potential. A third generation blockchain, it seeks to address that scalability issues inherit the second generation blockchain, much like highly anticipated Ethereum 2.0. The Cardano project, it associated with ADA cryptocurrency, have generated a lot of community buzz since 2015 inceptions. The academic riser applied to its developments makes Cardano somewhat unique in the cryptocurrency space. So, guys, what is Cardano ADA? ADA is a general purpose blockchain design based on a peer reviewed academic research. It being developed by a multidisciplinary team of engineers. There is a mathematicians, scientists, and business professionals. Ongoing platform development is always accomplished using a scientific approach. According to its creator, the key design principle behind the Cardano are security, scalability, and interoperability. So it's on a Ethereum network, guys. And talking on the Cardano roadmap,
Yeah,
let me.
I like that. They had the roadmap actually. The milestone put they actually placed it on their website, I believe. There
Yes,
was like
yes,
five. Uh,
yes.
that
Very creative.
yeah, really nice.
I hope you're able to
Yep.
see now.
Yes.
Yeah. So Cardano roadmap consists of
Manish is
five.
white. Manish is the screen is white. Let's
Uh,
see. Ah, yes.
yeah. So Cardano roadmap consists of five main phases:
Hmm.
Byron, Shelley, June. I don't know. Maybe a pronunciation for. Pardon me, my pronunciation for this. Gugin, Basho, and Volatile. Byron is the first phase, marked the launch of the network along with the basic functionality such as transferring ADA, transferring the cryptocurrency. The Sally hard fork probably I'll cover in details in upcoming sessions. Fork is one of the term in Ethereum. The Sally hard fork took place in 2020 and offer further steps toward decentralizations. As of December 2020, okay, nodes are now operated by Cardano community with a stake pool run by ADA holders. As of December 2020, functional smart contract cannot be deployed on the blockchain platform as part of roadmap. This will roll out as part of Gogin update. And following Gogin and Basho era focused on optimization of scalability and interoperability. And the volatile era introduced two tertiary systems to address governance. How does Cardano works? That's we all thinks. I'm also going to talk about. It's going to explode in upcoming year. It's my assessment. I'm going to tell you why it's going to explode $2-3 in upcoming years. Let's talk about how does Cardano ADA works. Cardano is designed as a third generation blockchain aiming to solve the scalability problems of a generation one. So generation one, example Bitcoin, and generation two is Ethereum. According to the proponent of this classifications, previous generation blockchains suffer from a bottleneck that fundamentally limit the amount of throughput they can handle it. This makes them an insufficient choice for worldwide mass use. So whereas SCADA, ADA, or Cardano smart contracts comes into the picture. So, talking about the key features, as we have mentioned, Cardano's strong point are the academic and a scientific philosophy behind it. The team developing Cardano has published more than 90 white papers for underlying technology. The project has a well-defined roadmap while the network want to have a baked in security, scalability, and interoperability. Let's talk about uh, why Cardano is going to explode in 2021. So, looking at a 2021, the number one reason is it has an unstoppable growth. We have all seen that it comes from where it's 0.15. Now it's close to $1 and plus. So the second one is significant features that set Cardano apart. The key factor that make Cardano the best among others is the Ouroboros blockchain. In this, the consensus mechanism that is a unique to Cardano. and it works on a proof of stake. Number one, third reason is Cardano architecture. Cardano has a unique layered blockchain architecture that has two main elements. One is Cardano settlement layer, which call it CSL, which is used to carry out cryptocurrency transactions, and the second one is Cardano computational layer, which is CCL, which allow developers to enter and maintain the application. Number four reason, Cardano works with a smart contract. Cardano layered architectures facilitate smart contract that ensure its scalability, adaptability, and security. So these are the four reasons. And then the major upcoming upgrade for Cardano. Cardano marry hard fork, which I say that hard fork concept I need a separate sessions to explain you guys. Then the second one, which is upcoming, is Cardano Guggen upgrade. Guggen is one of their roadmap, which is going to schedule end of this year. Then, so these are the upcoming features which we are going to see in 2021. And based on my analysis, it says that by year end or by next year, it may go up to $3. It's my personal view. Probably you do your own research before investing here. But so far, whatever I have researched, it's very positive that coin has lot of potentials. All right, that's all from my side, Vin.
Thanks, Manish. Very informative. Maybe I'll just share a screen on the comparisons of Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum.
Yeah,
It may just give kind of just help. So we have energy consumption. You can see this is Cardano ADA. You have Bitcoin. You have Ethereum. You can see the energy consumption. Of course, after certain upgrades, this will change. This is at the point of this time. We have transaction fees. So you can see the list of transaction fee. Of course,
very low.
Cardano is slightly a bit expensive. Sorry, Cardano is actually cheap compared to this. You see, $20, and then you have 21 cents, and then it's supported by consensus protocol. Very slow to adopt for Bitcoin and work in progress for 4 years. Currently, no ETA. So that's why I think Manish showed one of the screen where you have to pay more Ethereum to actually speed up the transaction.
Yep.
And then you have formal verification. This is available. Not available for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have confirmation in 60 seconds compared to 180 seconds, 30 minutes for Bitcoin confirmation, and 39 seconds for Ethereum.
And
Smart,
good part is while transferring the money using Cardano, you'll not have a lots of fluctuation like other cryptos, and
right,
it's very fast.
right. And you have smart contracts coming soon, right? That's the one that they are betting now to see that, Charles Hawkinson is being, anticipate that that's what's going to happen, but the public are still waiting for those kind of smart contracts. And NFT, non-fungible tokens, available, not available for Bitcoin, as well as for Ethereum. Now, in terms of speed, what we want to look at is this. So this is a chart that I can actually just give some perspective. So you have cryptocurrency transactions. Visa, look at that. That is the amount, that is what cryptocurrencies are supposed to reach. Now, I don't know whether Solana can reach this layer. I think that's something that we have to research on the white paper. And you have Ripple, 1005, PayPal, right? So 60. So you can look at Visa itself. That's, how much of transaction it should do compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, and so forth. So just something to take note. Just wanted to give some visual aspect to that. Yeah. That's all I have, guys. If you have any further questions, just let us know in the comment section. I see some people on the Instagram watching us, so please, hop over either to YouTube. We are live on YouTube, and we are live on Facebook, so you can ask your questions over there. Manish, if that's all on your side, I will go into the markets, right?
Yeah, sure.
So today, guys, slightly better than yesterday. We are moving up again, partly because the B word that came in on the 21st actually helped bolster market in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So currently we are moving back to 21s. I hope to actually cross the 30 so that we can see a very nice growth. Hi Lun, welcome to the channel. So we have the VIX. So the VIX currently now is down. The fear is kept at a very nice neutral state. Nothing much is happening on the stock market other than business as usual. You can look at the green. Love the green. I know Loon is seeing money just fall off from the sky. So Bitcoin 50%, Ethereum close to 20% of the market. So there's about 70% followed by the rest of the coins. Just for new people who are coming in, the reason why when Bitcoin rise, everything rise is because every coin was actually a duplication of Bitcoin with a certain proposed solution to solve what Bitcoin could not solve, like transaction speed, scalability, DeFi
Security.
apps, and so forth. Let's look at the top 10. What's happening to the markets in the last 24 hours? So we have increase in the market cap. We are up to 1.3. Good sign. Money is flowing in. We have 11,000 cryptos from the 10,000 and 888, which means there's constantly new coins being developed every single day. Exchanges is 389. We have about so Bitcoin of course is the dominant, right, with 46%, and Ethereum holding about 20%. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 22.15, Ethereum is up by 5.40, USDT is up by 0.02, BNB is up by 3.31, Cardano up by 1.54, USDC is up by 0.02, XRP is up by 4.32, Doge up by 1.44, Polkadot is up by 3.15, and BUSD slightly break even. And we have Solana up by 3.93. Now let's look at what's happening over the last let's try 3 months, guys. Let's see what's happening. Okay, not too bad. We are in the bear market,
Yeah,
right? Last
actually,
3 months. So
last 3 months we are in a bear market.
so very good time to acquire, buy coins in the last 3 months, and potentially
We got a sufficient time to acquire the cryptos this year.
right. Look at this, guys. Uniswap 50% off. It's Christmas sale.
Yeah. So
Christmas sale,
last three
guys.
months you keep continuing investing. I
Chris,
think you're going to get another one more month. I think.
yeah, one more month before this becomes this, right? Right. And
Yes.
you can't get this in traditional market. So I always kept pointing out that gold took very long. Gold was supposed to hit 3,000 per ounce during the what is this? The issue with the COVID situation. It did not happen because of course the market actually shifted. We went into a global lockdown. Then traditional markets can't even do. I mean, the top traders only do about 17% per annum. People like Ray Dalio, which I always mention, who has the all-weather portfolio. That is something that we will be sharing in some future state on what actually to position to understand both the long-term market cycle and the market cycle of long-term and short-term debt. So that's something to look at, right? So let your money work hard for you. Go and buy it today. So good time to invest more, of course. Swami, welcome to the show. Yeah, Swami, look at this. Last 3 months, negative. So you are getting your best buck for your dollar. Something to look at, right? There's a great coins, and these are all the top 10 market coins. I'm just looking at the top 50. So that's something to look at. Now let's go over to the technical charts. So the technical charts, very good support that happened on Bitcoin. Let me zoom in. So we had a nice dip here because of FUD coming into the marketplace. People are saying that it's doomsday. We are going to drop to the 20,000. Some people are just speculating we're going to go drop to 10,000. And people sold their coins. And most people who sold their coins, guess what? Retailers. Because they are feeling the heat of the loss, and they decided to sell it at a loss. And later regret, right? The regret happens here. Like, shit, I should have, sold it off here. Right? So look at these, guys. We are going to maybe break this portion here. And if we do, and we hit more than the green, we should see a very nice, hopefully run up because there's increase in volume. So volume has increased. People are coming in. There is sellers as well as buyers. This is on a 4 hours chart, guys. 4 hours. Let's look at the 1 day chart. So in the 1 day chart, we are still channeling, right? We are still channeling what you call accumulation, right? We are still accumulating, bouncing off this. And if you are trading, you would be making money like myself and Manish, not to brag, but because we have shared with you guys that we purchased this
Ethereum.
Ethereum a day ago using the Bollinger. Using the Bollinger, we purchased this a day ago. Manish made more than me, of course, because he invested more money. Maybe close to how much, Manish, you made?
Yeah, close to one crypto, slightly less.
How much did you make, Manish? About 250?
Yeah, close to
About
that.
250? I
Yeah.
made about $30, guys. Didn't invest much. I just put in about 500. So it doesn't matter how much you make. What matters is you buy low and sell high. So we hit here. Now I'm just holding that money. I just converted my Ethereum back to BUSD. I was trading with the pair of BUSD. Manish is trading with the pair of
USDT. Yeah,
USDT.
USDT.
Right. So it is a preference. You decide because both are stable. Of course, it's a preference, guys. I don't really go into the nitty gritties of the actual arbitrage in terms of the pairing.
But one thing I've noticed in this trading, I had a peace of mind. I know that I'm not going to lose it
Yep. Yep.
with the Ethereum. That peace of mind I
Yeah.
got it. I was not in a rush to sell also
Yep.
till you notify me that it's a good time to sell it.
Yeah.
Then I quickly sold it out. Yeah.
Right. So again, if I were to even go back, we always trade on the 4 hours basis. You can even look at the 1 day chart. You can see it's a very nice up. Of course, this is really high because we are looking at a daily chart and we have a down. But look at this. Look at this really nice spike. And so the Bollinger actually gave me that insights, and we bought. I told Manish, let's go in. And today, maybe about 6 hours ago, we sold it off. So we made money here. And reason why, guys, this man here, Mr. Elon. I won't call him Elon like George does, but sorry, George. Anyways, we are in conversation with George. Hopefully, let's see. And Elon, because of he confirmed that he is also an owner of Ethereum, and we went up 12%. So thank you, Mr. Elon, for giving me maybe $30. So yeah, so I'm going to create a video on this soon, so maybe you guys can get the snippets of it. If you want to watch the full video, we posted that on our Facebook group yesterday. Do register and watch that. That's all I have. I will be opening up the floor. So if you guys have any
So
questions,
I did not manage to watch the entire interview
right?
with Mr. Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk. So did you manage to get some update from them?
Yeah, I
Anything?
did
Any
not, but
key highlights?
yeah, so some key points, Manish. The price of cryptocurrency, okay, basically went up. I didn't really want to know that. I just want to know what was the conversation. He did express Musk support for cryptocurrency in general, despite of the environmental concerns related to mining. And I don't blame him to speak about environmental, because particularly he's the creator of Tesla, right? So you can't create new technology and then destroy the world as it is. So there's certain values that he has to upkeep. So it's a tough decision that he has to make. So
And no other positive point from Twitter CEO.
nothing. Nothing new other than that he's just talking about things outside of Tesla, SpaceX, trying to justify his need. As what Lu said, it's a lot of nothing. He laughed. But Elon, Lu is
It's lot of nothing.
he's going to accept Bitcoin again. Of course, Loon, he has to, right? I mean, so it'll be a fool to actually let that go, because it won't look good on the books. Taking into consideration that if he does sell, and Michael Saylor will just buy it up.
I
And
thought this interview is going to be a very interesting one.
yeah, I don't know. I to be honest, I believe it is, but I need to go and check it out. And I'm actually curious. Is Tesla actually listed here? Yeah, it is. So
For the Bitcoin, right?
yeah, so Tesla is here,
Bitcoin owner Tesla is there.
second place, right? Compared to Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy. So if he does sell it, he will be selling 1.3 trillion. Is this trillion? Million?
See,
Billion.
if you want a peace of mind in a investment, Bitcoin and Ethereum is the best.
For now, guys. For now, I mean that's what we are doing, and like I said, it's 50% of your portfolio is very important within the crypto space. Of course, within the crypto space, because outside of the crypto space, I was asked this question. Basically, what we do, we buy gold, we buy bonds, we buy stocks that produce dividends because we like cash flow. We buy options. I trade options on Tasty Trade platform, so that helps me with the buy and put. And now focus solely mainly on cryptocurrencies. And recently looking at the 1 year and understanding blockchain, I decided to move a lot of my funds into the crypto space. Big risk, yes, of course, but
Yes, of
I
course.
don't want to be earning 5% guys per annum. I don't want.
Ready to take a risk.
Yeah, if you like that and that you're fine with that, then yeah, grandma and grandpa would be fine with that. Sorry for the baby boomers, but today is the need for speed, and I just want to, I don't want to support traditional finance. I mean, that's me personally. So I like disruptive technology. I like being in control. Yes, they can control me by whatever means, but at some point someone is going to create a new market because the technology is there for our taking. So and we have seen that recently, I think, in times, right? Good people, a group of people come together, they can take down institutions, they can take down financial, like GameSpot, like I think there was a recent Loon. Help me out. Yeah, I think there was another company, right, Manish, that was taken down. I think Star Trek would know this. So yeah, I mean that's, but you can look at this. You see, it's a game of mostly US company. Of I think we have one Asia, which is Japan. North America is there. We have Euro, and Euro. I did cover that. They are planning to actually what is that, ban, right? There was a ban that they want to actually ban cryptocurrency. Again, to me, I believe FUD in the marketplace so that institutions can go in and acquire Bitcoin. So that's something to take note. We have
By banning cryptocurrency, are you going to stop it completely?
no,
No,
you can't. You
you
can't stop
can't.
the technology, but you can stop the platform.
Yep.
Right? You can bar people from the IP, they can't access Binance or whatever you want to do. But it doesn't mean that those people living in Europe cannot trade, right? I'm sure they can just change their IPs, go on a VPN,
Correct.
access
There,
through
there are a
another.
lot of way to get it
Yeah,
inside.
today is about technology, guys. So no government, they can slow us down, they can slow people from putting all, like the Truman Show. If you are watching the Truman Show, right? Because the truth is out there, and then you have all this media fud trying to stir the mind, because that's all they can do. They get this, then they get your decision. So be smart about it. And that's our root zones. I mean, we might get banned, possible, right? Because cryptocurrency is we are talking about hackers, we are talking about political stuff and this one. But the truth is the truth, and so that's it. That's all I
Yeah.
have, guys. Manish, anything on your side?
No, I think I'm good, and I think
Yeah.
that's all
So
for today.
So guys, tomorrow same time, same channel. I hope I find the time to create that video for you. A nice snippet. You can just watch it. Tomorrow is a Friday, so see you tomorrow.
All
Take
right,
care.
so fast the Friday in. Oh, this week was short.
Short leave. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe open up a bottle of wine, have it on a Friday. So
Probably
let's see.
yes, Friday.
Let's see. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining us. I will see you soon tomorrow. Manish, over to you.
And if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take
See
care.
you tomorrow.